If your house hasn't sold yet, it might be overpriced. Has your house been sitting on the market for a while without selling? If so, you should know that it's pretty unusual, especially for right now. That's because the supply of homes available for sale is still far lower than what we've seen in a normal year. That means that buyers have fewer options than they normally would, so your house should be an oasis in an inventory desert. So if the home buyers have limited choices and your house still hasn't sold, then there's a reason why. And let's break down one potential sticking point that might be turning buyers away. And that's your asking price. Especially with today's higher mortgage rates already putting a stretch on their budget, buyers are being a bit more sensitive about pricing. As a recent article from the Wall Street Journal explains, if you're serious about selling your home now, don't get greedy with the asking price. This is still a seller's home market, and there simply aren't enough affordable homes for sale in many parts of the country. But with the average 30-year mortgage rates above 6%, buyers are much more price sensitive than they were a year ago. Setting the right price matters. While you want to maximize the return on your investment when you sell your house, you also need to be realistic based on the current market conditions. The simple truth is, your house is only going to sell for what people are willing to pay right now. This can be a hard thing to accept, especially since emotions can run high during the selling process, which only complicates matters. After all, you may have lived in this house for years, so it's only natural you're emotionally tied to it. And those heartstrings can make it harder to be objective. But it's important to acknowledge that a bigger than expected price tag deters buyers and might make them dismiss your house as a possibility even before seeing it. And if so, no one's looking at it, how's it gonna sell? If you wanna get your house sold, you'll need to do something to spark interest in your home. That's where I come in as your local real estate agent. I'll help you use the data to find out if it's priced too high for our local market. We'll balance the value of your home in the neighborhood, the current marketing trends, and buyer demand, along with the condition of your house, and a few other things to find the right price for your house so that you can close this chapter and move on to the next one. The bottom line is, while it's true there aren't many homes available for sale right now, your home's asking price still matters. And if it's not selling, it just might be overpriced. I hope you found this content helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe below.